Good morning. What's going on, Monopoly family? Guys, today we're going to go through a live trading session. I thought we'd do the intro outdoors, guys, because I know you're sick of seeing the same four walls in my apartment, so we'll do it outside. I live in one of these buildings. This is the apartment complex. As you can tell, it's beautiful, guys. But today I'm going to show you exactly how I trade and earn a living from the stock market. I know these videos might sound repeated, but in every video there's value added. So here's the thing, guys, you guys wanted these kind of videos by smashing that like button in the last video, so make sure to smash that like button in this video if you want more live trading sessions. So hopefully you will find value here and learn a thing or two. I'm going to show you how I trade and also how others that are following my trading style from the Discord chat are also killing it today. So I'm going to show you what a Wall Street heist looks like. So let's go back to the apartment, guys, and let's kill it. I won't be active on YouTube this week because I'm going to be on the road. I'm going to Turkey, so obviously I'll be active on the Discord chat, on Instagram, and in the community section, but I won't be uploading videos for this week. So hopefully you will find value today, guys. Let's go back to the apartment, let's make some money, and hopefully we start the week green. Alright, guys, so what I'm doing here, I'm looking for stocks. What the hell's that? Actually looking for the stocks that are about to move significantly pre-market, and I'm looking for those stocks that have the news released, because like I said, the news is what I look for, and that is the catalyst that will make a stock spike in value by 1 to 10%. I'm looking at stocks here that have already spiked in value by 20%, as you can tell, 20%, some other stocks 30% here. So these stocks have already spiked in value before the stock market even opens, and I'm looking for an earner report today because that's my edge, and I know the patterns that will form. I know the psychology behind traders, because when an earner report is released, you will notice a stock is performing a certain way, and if you look back at the history, you'll realize it did perform that certain way in the last earner report. And these are patterns, these are behaviors that you have to identify as a successful trader. You have to understand the psychology behind traders also. That's what's going to make you successful in the long term. And all of these things that I'm talking about here can be learned. Even the jargons that I'm using can be learned within a month, and you start speaking like me. So don't get discouraged from what I'm saying here, guys. I know it might sound complicated, but it's not. With time and dedication and commitment, this will all become simple. So let's go to the computer because my arm is going to fall off. Let me watch more TV here, watching Key and Peele, finish my grapes, and I'll see you in a few minutes. All right, guys, so the stock market is going to open in 10 minutes. So the Discord chat already knows the game plan because I told them the game plan, and others are sharing their game plan and what stocks they're trading and how they're going to approach it. So I'm loading up 2 stocks, guys. I'm watching. By the way, if you want to join this and learn the way I trade, it's going to be in the comment section, the first link, or in the description. You can join this chat room. So I've got my Pringles ready, guys. We'll celebrate with those if we come out green. Otherwise, I'm throwing them in the bin. So here's the thing, guys. We're trading Cars.com and TSN, Tyson Foods. Both of these released earner reports. This was a negative earner report, so that caused the stock to drop 18% pre-market. This one was a positive earner report. It wasn't that positive, so the stock will probably end up dropping anyway. So I'm going to draw out a pattern for you guys before the stock market happens, and hopefully we come out green today and we end up killing it, and I'll show you the results of the chat room once my trade is complete. So guys, let's transition from here to the computer, show you that live trade. Hopefully we last 10, 20 minutes, 15 minutes. I don't know how much I'm going to make, but I do have realistic expectations of what I'm going to come out with today. Obviously, the more money you have, the more shares you can buy, the more money you can make. But in the stock market, you can say to yourself, I'm going to make 500 realistically, and you end up making 400 because you took your money quickly, and that's okay. You know, the stock market doesn't wait for us, so it's okay for us to take the money even if we don't reach our daily target. But there isn't a specific figure you can make in the stock market. Sometimes you make more than what you want. Sometimes you don't make that much, right? But that's okay. Right, nobody went broke taking profits. Remember that. So let's jump into the market. 7 minutes to go, guys. The chat room is still going, and yeah, I want to showcase these guys. I want to motivate you guys. I want to motivate them because now the world is watching us. We have to make me look good. So let's do it, guys. All right, guys. So what you're witnessing now, my voice recorder was off when I was actually trading or doing the live trade, but you will realize I'm actually going to draw out a pattern now telling you exactly what's about to happen to that stock. So remember, this stock released a negative earner report. The stock will drop obviously it will shoot back up a little bit because shorts will want to cover, and then it will continue coming back down because those shorts um, came back to the market after the buyers entered. But because this is a negative report, remember the tension this stock is having on the stock. So nobody wants to put their money in that stock. So the stock obviously is going to pull back. So that's the stock we're going to trade today. Yeah, we're going to trade cars.com. Okay, so stock market opened, guys. I'm placing my position on this stock. I looked at the chart, and like I said, we already have a pattern. We looked at this price of the stock and the way it's tense. It's not really wanting to go up. Therefore, I know that the tension is coming from the actual negative report, and there's more shorts than buyers. Therefore, I'm actually entering. So this is what I think will happen. Obviously, just like I said a few seconds ago, I'm actually drawing out the pattern once again. The tension will come, and that's where I entered, right at that horizontal bar, guys. And now we are straight into the green with $100, as you can see. But we're gonna have to wait. We're gonna have to wait for it to even spit out more money. Although I was late to that stock, guys, I still believe that there is more money to be made on that stock. But yeah, I'm getting greedy at this stage. A lot of people should be out with that money, but with experience, you'll gain confidence. Now, the reason why I got in is because it was still too early for that stock to spike back up. Because, like I said, after every spike, there is a pullback. So we're here with $300 profit, three something, but I'm still waiting. I'm still greedy, and you'll realize, guys, in a few minutes, I go from $300 back down to the red, to a loss, or $400 back down to a loss, because I was too greedy to take that money. I could have walked away with this, but I got too greedy, and that's something you shouldn't do. You should be walking away with that $500 profit. So I'm actually gonna have to pause this and just speed it up a little bit, guys, because from now on it's just a waiting game of when I should take my profit. So now I'm going to show you how I take my profit. Again, psychology is very important in this trade. Patterns are very important. History is very important. And most importantly, guys, confidence. That's what you will need, is confidence. Now, let me just speed this up, guys, and I'll catch you in a few. Seconds. So guys, here we go. All right, $600. We're coming in now. As you can tell, the stock is doing its thing, and I'm gonna come out with 630 profit. So there we go, 630 profit. It was actually, yeah, it was $600 after the commission and whatnot. Okay, that trade is now complete. I want to show you the results of the chat. Some of them traded the same stock as me, so you can see here 4-5%. 6 days, double the bank would give me. So more reviews. So some of you are trading with real money. Some of you are in the practice stage. I just shared my result there, 600 on CARS. That's the ticker name. 5%. Yeah, more reviews are still in that trade, killing it, guys. I want to showcase those people. Here's a thank you. I appreciate that, my friend. Hopefully everybody got to do well today. Even if you're not part of the chat room, hopefully you killed it. So here's another trade. Well done, well done. Let me just scroll down. All these memes. Anyways, here's more views, killing it, guys. Some of you share your stats, some of you don't share your stats. But yeah, 1% there. We started the Monday correctly. Like I said, some of you are trading with paper, some of you is real money, those who just joined and practicing. Yeah, well done, guys. Proud of you. Hopefully, even if you're not part of the chat, you got to kill it. So, all right, guys. So that trade is complete. That was a 3.5% return on investment in the space of 20 minutes. It was an emotional one that lasted usually I'm out within 10-15 minutes, but that was an emotional one because I was up, I was down, I was up, I was down. But patterns and the psychology and the report will give you confidence, and you can back it up with previous history, and that's what makes you a good trader in the long term, is that you've got that confidence and you already know what's about to happen to that stock. Obviously, not every trade is going to be the same, but history does repeat itself, and history does repeat itself. And today has been proven once again, because like always, I mean, we know what happens to these stocks, right? Because the report comes first. Report influences the behavior of traders. The behaviors of traders will influence the stock to move in a certain direction. And that's what you need to understand in the long term. You need to know the psychology, you need to know the patterns, and you need to know how to analyze the fundamentals. And the last thing will be execution, getting in, out, taking the profit when it's given to you. I could have waited even further, but if I had waited now, guys, for the stock to give me more money, I would have lost a lot of money, because now it's up $1, right? It's up $1. So I took my profit, I walked away, and now it's shot back up. That was a short position, 3.5% return on investment. So you have to be disciplined in the stock market. You have to be educated also. So remember, if you want to join this chat room, if you want to learn how I do things, the Z Monopoly website, look in the comment section in the description. You will have the website there, and you can join the Discord chat. So hopefully everybody killed it. Even if you're not part of the chat room, hopefully you killed it, even if you follow my trading tutorials. But yeah, I'll see you again for more videos, guys. I won't be active this week on YouTube because I'm going to be on the road. I just want to focus on myself for a week, and just because I've been pumping content on YouTube and whatnot, so I just want to relax. I'm going to Turkey, so I'll be posting. I'll still be on the Discord. I'll still be trading, so I'll post my results on Instagram for this week, hopefully, or the YouTube feature. So if you haven't smashed that notification, make sure to smash it so you can get those alerts when I do post. So see you again for more videos. I appreciate you for watching, guys, and I'm just gonna go enjoy the sun. Peace and love, guys.